what's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. All right, so guess what? Fenty Rihanna, okay, Rihanna Fenty, okay, she just released her brand new Fenty hair care line. I am one of the first to purchase these products, okay, this whole entire collection. I didn't get the heat protection styling product because I don't straighten my hair, I don't blow dry my hair. My hair always has natural texture curls, so everything else I got except for the conditioner. Okay, I might order the actual conditioner, the bottle conditioner, the regular conditioner later on. I just got the deep conditioner. But anyway, I am so excited. I was waiting for this big old box to come through. Okay, I got the email, I got the text. Yes, I'm VIP, and as soon as I got sent the link, I ran over there. Okay, I'm like, let me get this. Ooh, let me get that. Let me get this. Oh, I got to get that. So I was, listen, all right, I use everything Fenty, from her skincare, from her lip glosses. I don't do makeup like that, I just do lip gloss. Her skincare line on point. Love the fat water serum. My goodness gracious, the night cream. I mean, I'm talking about Fenty. Fenty out. Fenty out. All right. I have a little vanity thing over here, so you guys can't really see it off camera, but it's mainly a good amount of Fenty products. All right. Her butters. My goodness. I mean, Fenty is doing its thing. That whole line is doing its thing. Rihanna is doing her thing with her collections. We're almost curious, like, what's next? What she's going to add to her collection? I mean, what else more does she got for us? But anyway, so this is the box with all the goodies up in here. So we got, let me see what this product is. Now, look how it came. This is UPS. UPS, we got a problem. Houston, we got a problem. What's up with this? But you know what? Most importantly, the product didn't spill. Okay, the product is intact. All right, but this is the comeback kit. Can you guys see? This is the comeback kit. I'm just trying to let it focus so you guys can see. And then this is the back where it tells you how to use it, different ways to use it, and it could be a rinse out. You could utilize it two ways, as a rinse out or a leave-in. So I'm excited to try it either way and see how it works. But it's supposed to repair, reduce breakage, condition for smoother, shinier, healthier looking styles. All right, who don't want all of this? Who do not want all of this? Hey. Okay, let me get this raggedy box up out of here. All right, now what else we got here? Ooh, what in the world? Okay. This is supposed to be, ooh, let me be gentle. All right. This is supposed to be the shampoo. All right. Now I'm going to put this to the test because I'm seeing the lather on this baby here. The lather is no joke. So this is the shampoo. If you guys can see, the rich one. All right, the rich one shampoo, moisturize, repair shampoo. All right, okay, hydrate, replenish, strong strands start here. Okay, all right, and the packaging is just too dang cute, too dang cute. It's gonna look so cute in my bathroom. What? Yes, it's gonna look so cute in my bathroom. Very simple, and simplicity is nice. Simplicity can bring about a bold statement. And so far the packaging, as you guys can see, the rough, you guys can see the print. It's simple, but it's really classy. And this is, oh, this is almost like a pinkish peach color. No, pink is my color. But yeah, this is supposed to be the Fenty hair, the jelly type, strong hold. All right, so again, this is mainly for updos. If you guys can see right there, you see here and there, mainly for updos. And this is wonderful for me because guess what? I love updos, as you can see. I love my hair in a good bun. I love me a good bun. All right, so this is going to be amazing. So yeah, because right now my go-to gel is Mielle Organics. Okay, this is my go-to gel. This is my staple right here. Monique, you might have competition. All right, so the honey and ginger styling gel, this is the OG. All right, I've been using this for how many years now? Since 2017. We're in 2024. I'm still rocking with it, but baby, Fenty, let go. What? So this is the gel here. So I've seen some reviews where people, they tried it on wash and goes and stuff like that, but I don't think that gel is for that type of styling. You know, maybe for braids, slick backs, buns, ponytails, that's what that's for. So yeah, and this is supposed to be the richer one, because the conditioner is the rich one, like the shampoo, the rich one. And then you have the deep conditioner, which is the richer one. And this was the moisturize repair. And to be honest, I don't deep condition. I haven't deep conditioned in how long now? Probably months. And prior to that, years. I don't deep condition. I was told to deep condition my hair. I don't do it. Maybe that's why my hair haven't grown how I want it to grow. Okay, now I got some hair now. All right, I got some inches on me now. Now I got some inches, but I can have longer inches if I just invest in a deep conditioner. So maybe this will transform my hair. I've seen what it looks like and what it does to other people's hair who have tried this while they were reviewing the product. And it just looks amazing. It's like their hair does come to life. It definitely revives their hair. It brings their hair to life. It was sleeping, but now it's up, smelling the roses. All right, smelling all the rest of the Fenty products. And I heard the products smell so good. Oh, speaking about the scent, what am I doing? Let me go smell the scent for you guys. Okay, so it comes with a little plastic protection. And it's very, very thick. It's not a plastic. It's plastic, but it's a thick plastic. And it has the same rough edges like this. It kind of mimic the print on the product. So that's pretty cool. So let me just take this off. Oh my goodness. It does smell like flowers, what they would say, jasmine, olive tree, palm tree. It just have this very feminine, earthly smell to it. Basically, your hair gonna be smelling so damn good. It smells delicious. It smells really good. Like, you probably wouldn't even stop smelling your hair. You probably purposely just go like this and fling and do this and do all that. You probably would just purposely just fling your hair up and down and just be up in people's faces because you want people to smell your hair, because you want to smell your hair. Like, you got to get that whiff. Like, it smells really, really good. I'm just amazed by that. So yeah, this product it smells delicious. And this is the sizing here, and this is about 340 milliliters. So you get a good amount. This is slightly bigger than the traditional size of her Fenty butter. So yeah, so you get a good amount of product, and this is 200 millimeters. This is about the same size as her butters. So that's amazing. And you know, deep conditioner, we need a good amount to last us, because you know, deep conditioner is deep conditioner. So yeah. And let's see what we got here. And this is the Homegirl Curl Definition Cream. And one chick, her hair was, woo, gliding and shining, curls popping like no tomorrow. Shiny, defined, moisturized curls that stand up to humidity, all right? Because I'm not gonna lie, I gotta spray my hair with a whole bunch of water and just gel upon gel upon gel, because the humidity be crazy sometimes. And this is the same style, and it's a little different. This time the print is going like sideways. You see it? Pretty cool. I like the design, and it's like a pinkish coral peachy color, so I like it. And it still has the protective plastic on it, mimicking the same style as the print. And let me see what this smells like. Yeah, this smells really good. Same thing, same thing. Same scent as a deep conditioner. So I may assume that the rest of the products, the whole entire line smells the same. So yeah. Anything else? Oh man, that's it. All right, on to the next box. So when I was ordering these, I realized that, wait a minute, I'm missing some more products. So I got the bang. There we go. Bang, bang. All right. Bang. So this is supposed to be the Fenty Hair Edge, the side stick. Ooh, like side chick. The side stick. Okay, 3-in-1 edge styling tool. So yeah, this is the back of it. Yeah, and I like how it has the point, so you could part your hair. I might start parting my hair. I don't really part my hair. It just naturally parts on its own sometimes. So yeah, this should be really good. I don't use edge combs at all, but I figured, okay, well, Fenty got one, let me get one. All right, I might as well get the whole entire collection. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Here we go, here we go, here we go. And there we go. Ooh, take this off. Wow. And the brush is pretty thick too. See? Brush is pretty thick. All right. Not super soft. Definitely a little bit rough. And the comb. Yeah, nice, 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 nice. Pretty cool. And then it has Fenty hair, if you guys can see. Fenty hair. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right, the engraving. Pretty cool. Nice. All right. And then here is the controlling type. the names for these products are amazing. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, it's just what they come up with Fenty, from the lip glosses to the skincare products. Like, the names are just amazing and just so interesting and so unique. The controlling type. Wow. Hair thickening edge control gel. So yeah, and this is the packaging here. Yeah, I like that it has the same designs on the product as the boxes, so it kind of mimic the whole entire product. So this is pretty cool, and you get a good amount of product here, and it just shows you how to use it. So yeah, when you get your Fenty hair collection, you're gonna see everything I'm talking about. And let me just take this off and see how it smells. Okay, it smells the exact same thing. It smells really, really good. I like it. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is the top. Nice, nice, nice. So, woo-wee, man. I'm gonna try this for a whole week, and I want to see what it does for my hair, if it holds up, because, you know, a lot of gels talk about, oh, you know, it holds, strong hold, no crunch, this, that, and the third, and then next thing you know, crunch, frizz, it's like this, like little spiders, just like this, and it's just like, come on now. And it's embarrassing. So with me, I walk in my whole entire hair care regimen in my bag. You just never know. You never know what happens. You get stuck at the job. You may have to end up in a hospital. So I take my products with me. So I may take the Fenty, the curl cream, probably just the gel and the edge gel, and just take that to work with me. So I gotta do a little touch up here and there, have my little spray water bottle, and just chook, 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 slick, 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 and let's just see what it does. So I'm very excited for these products, and I'm gonna be trying them for the rest of the week, like I mentioned before. So I'm going to do a lather which is a shampoo. So if you guys give me a quick minute, I'm gonna do half of my hair with the shampoo and then half of my hair with the deep conditioner. Just wet it and just see how it feels in my hair and so on and so forth. All right, so give me a minute and I'm gonna get back to y'all, okay? So I'm gonna go with the Rich One shampoo. Go with that one first, okay? Okay. You gotta swing it around so this could pop up. Okay, ooh, okay, okay. And this is it here, it's clear. Wow. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Wow. And you can comb through your hair too. Yeah. Some shampoos you can't comb through your hair, but with this one, you can comb through it. Wow. I like that. And now this part of my hair, I'm gonna put the deep conditioner. So let me just spritz this side a little bit more. Ooh. It does feel like a baby's bottom. So soft. Oh yeah. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. And you can comb through it. Because I'm finna comb my hair with no problem, child. Look at these knots. Just melting. Oh my goodness. Ooh, ooh. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, yes. You ladies should not feel disappointed at all. At all. Get you some Fenty hair, all right? Do yourself a favor and get you some Fenty hair. So I'll be back with a part 2 to this video, okay? Going a whole week, starting today with these products in my hair. And I would let you guys know how it held up. If the gel really was strong, did it really give me that hold? Did the scent really stay in my hair all day? Did it last? Okay, was I just feeling myself, okay, and feeling the products, okay, for the whole week? Did the edge gel do its thing? Did it make my baby hair lay, okay, flat? All right, so I'm just excited to use those two. Oh, did the curl cream curl up my hair, okay? Did it make my curls pop? All right, so I'll be back with an update, okay? So don't go nowhere.